Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make gummies. Yes, and the science part of this one is about water. We already talked about the water in the class. Remember, you can dissolve everything. Nothing withstands against water, okay? Not metal, not rock, not any diamond, okay? Eventually, if you get time, if you give it time to water, it actually will dissolve everything. So what is very important, it's a very weird element in nature, okay? And we are going to learn more about water each time, a little bit more about water, and this time we needed to dissolve something, our strange material, the gelatin. I will not talk about that one yet. Already you know, you can Google it, but before you Google how it's done natural, how actually is done the gelatin natural way, okay? Because there is artificial one, but the natural, like this one, because I love natural food for my experiments, okay? And that's weird, awesome. And when I realized where to get it from, oh my god, it changed everything. But please make the gummies first with your parents' help, because you will need the microwave, okay? So if you have permission from your mom and dad to use the microwave, it's okay. But if not, please ask mom and dad to use the microwave. It's going to be for 30 seconds only, okay? And I will tell you, I will cue it for you. So you eat it first, and then you learn, you know, where the gelatin comes from, okay? If you already attended the class, I already told you. I hope you like it. It's super cool. And one more thing. This is the extra. It's not like... it's optional, okay? I will add citric acid to the gummies, so they are acidic gummies. They're awesome. I really love them. But if you don't like citric acid, or you want to just plain natural, well, you know, a lot of sugar, just don't add it. But I recommend it a lot. You just add a little, okay? Now, also, what we are going to use, we are going to make measure spoons, okay? We are going to use tablespoons like this. Yes, here, tablespoons. Not this one, the other one. Yes, this one, tablespoons. And for the citric acid, I'm going to use 1/4 of a spoon, a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, okay? The other one is tablespoon. You know the big one? Yeah, this is table, and this is teaspoon, okay? Fourth, you see there? Fourth of a teaspoon. This is a full teaspoon, just full, okay? Got it. So also, you will need something to stir everything. I will use this styrofoam cup and a fork there, so you can stir it, okay, the mixture. You will use also sugar. Just let me show you. I still have some sugar here. You will only need 1 tablespoon of sugar, okay? So it's enough for the experiment. And the real component, juice, real juice, guys, real juice, okay? Sorry for the stickers here. The other one, this is stickers here. I love mango. This is my favorite fruits. Actually, my favorite fruit is strawberry, but mango is super cool. Is the second one. Okay? So mango, just remember, it's going to be real juice. Okay, try to be real juice. That's the key part. Okay, or it says here's nectar. Okay, that means it has a very concentrated amount of mango or fruit. Okay, so that one. Let's start, okay? So for the mango thing, we are going to use 3 tablespoons of mango, well, of juice, in this case mango, okay? So, get the lid open, get my measurement thing, and we'll start measuring it. Yes, that is 1. We put it there, 1. 2, and 3. Okay, I will have a napkin here because you need to clean. Well, I love to clean everything, so I really fond of having everything clean up. Okay, more at this time, so I clean it up very well. I use the napkin just once, so after this one I will put it away. So it's clean, okay? Next, we already set up here with this. We are now needing the sugar, but the sugar we are going to add it later, okay? So in the meantime, I will put my sugar here, okay? So it's at hand. So let me pop out this thing. Very good. Get out. Right here, a little bit here. Let me put it right there. Thank you. Yes. I did. Oh, remember, a tablespoon of sugar. Really generous. A generous tablespoon of sugar. And I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so I have it at hand. Okay. Very good. Let's put this aside. Okay. As you can see, I have the sugar. Okay. I'm going to add the citric acid now. Okay. So citric acid, and remember, I'm going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon, the little one. Okay, this is the little one. Fairly amount. Very good. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Put it there. Very good. Excellent. And I'm going to put it aside. Okay, so I have here, and now I'm going to close the lid here for the citric acid so nothing spills down. I don't want an accident here. You also don't want an accident over there at home. Okay, remember, if you spill it, you clean it. Okay, help mom in the science kitchen thing. Okay, so this one I will put it aside here. Okay, now I'm going to use the gelatin. Okay, this is going to be half. Okay, half of a tablespoon. Half of a tablespoon. Sorry, half of a tablespoon right here. Half of a tablespoon, more or less. Okay, so let's do it. Half of a tablespoon, more or less. Yeah, very good. Nice. Very good. So, nice over here. So we have half of a tablespoon. We are going to add the half of a tablespoon to the juice. Remember, we put already the juice here, okay? So we added the half of a tablespoon here. We add it. Very good. And we are going to stir it, okay? We are going to stir it very well. And it's going to start like making a jelly, okay? It's going to make major, don't worry. It's okay. So start making the jelly. We are going to heat this mixture in the microwave oven, okay? Just for 30 seconds, no more. You need to be warm, not boil, okay? Just be warm. Again, please ask mom and dad to help you, or a grown-up, any grown-up will do. It will help you. And or if you have permission from mom and dad, if you have that permission, you can do it by yourself, okay? But always ask mom and dad, okay? So very good. So very good. We have it there. Okay, we mix it. We use the fork. We're using the fork for mixing it. Okay, as you can see, let me put it there. So right there. So that's the mixture, okay? That's the mixture. Okay. Very good. Okay. We're mixing. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the microwave. Okay, my microwave is in the other side of the lab. Okay, right there. Right there. So I need to go there. I'm going to pause the video and be back with you. Okay, so see you in a moment. Hello, welcome back. So I already been to the microwave. Let me show you. So that's the consistency, okay, that we are going to have it. Now I'm going to put down the, sorry, right there, putting down the sugar and the baking soda. I'm going to put it there. Put it and start mixing, okay? We're going to start mixing very well till everything is dissolved, okay? Very good. We're dissolving, we're dissolving, we're dissolving. Nice. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good, okay? Well, put this thing aside. We will mix it, and then we are going to bring our a mold. Okay, I already have one other batch here, so we are going to fill it up. Remember, each batch will be like for 7, 8, 16, depending on the mold. Okay, on your silicone mold there. I use silicone. Put it there. Put it there. Oh my God, too much. Sorry. Very good there. 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 A little bit there. Well, and that's it. Okay, you are going to put it on the fridge for 3 or 5 minutes and you're done. I hope you like it, okay? And see you. Google the gelatin thing. Google it. But eat it first. Bye bye.